Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add conditional formatting to a certain range of cells in the Google Sheets mobile. So first, of course, you need to open the Google Sheets file that you want to add it. And here to add the conditional formatting, you can just select the range of cells first. So for example, I'm going to select this A1 until A17. So just block it, oops, block it like this. And after that, click on the A at the top, and here scroll down and you'll find conditional formatting. So here click on this to set the rules, and you can just create a rule. So for example, this is apply to range A2 until A17, and here format cells if. So this is the rule that you need to add. You can add any of this rules in here, or you can also add custom formula. So I'm going to just select is not empty, and here you can select the formatting style. So for example, I'm going to select the yellow color, or you can also add a custom formatting style if you like it. So after that, just click on save, click on the check icon, and there you go, the conditional formatting is saved. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.